Welcome to Acer's A Corner, where the magic of creation happens. I am John.
And I'm Brandon.
Safety first, kids.
Today at the Acer Testing Lab, we're gonna run through 3 tests. Test number 1, a drop test. Following that, we're gonna mimic inclement weather for tests 2 to 3, heavy rainfall, and cold test. Can it survive?
Let's get started. First test today, the drop test. Screen is good, trackpad is good.
Drop 1.
Your laptop, I'm gonna destroy it!
Right.
I'm a believer! Our screen is
no cracks.
still working. Keyboard is totally backlit and functionable. All right, let's move on to our second test.
Test number 2, water resistance. We're gonna shower this Enduro and chuck it in there, see if it'll survive.
But best part about this, we're chucking the Enduro N3 in there with you. Let there be water! I'm glad I'm not in there, I'll be honest. I'm a little skeptical. All right, trackpad working, screen working.
It's dry.
Are you ready to move on?
On to the next one.
On to the next one, baby.
Over here is a glass box with dry ice.
First thing, let's take a temp. We have negative 30.8 degrees Celsius. Let's add that guy in. Our team is going to be monitoring the dry ice and make sure the internal temp stays around the same.
Let's see if it's alive. Ooh, you can hear the crackling. Oh, it's frozen
Trackpad
solid.
worked. Our keypad is lit up. Our trackpad worked. Clicking functions are working.
Get your cold frozen pizzas!
All right, my man.
Oh.
Guys, thank you for staying with us for all these tests today. And as you can see, Acer's Enduro N3 is a tough computer. Well done, Acer's Enduro N3. We are out of here. Bye, everyone. I think we should
Kick it up a notch.
step it up a notch.
Step it up a notch.
2, 1.
Oh! I think it's fine.
I think
This thing is a beast.
beast mode.